Welcome back to Stoy Crypto. This is a quick video to show you how to transfer your NFTs from one Compass wallet address to another. I'm logged into my Compass wallet, and if I go to NFTs, you'll see I have 4 items, right? 4 NFTs in here, and I want to send them to a different wallet address. So here's how to do that. Go to the wallet address that you want to send the NFTs to. So in this case, it's this one. All right, so I want to send them to this wallet. You can see there are currently no NFTs in this wallet. So I'm going to go ahead and click on receive, and I'm going to copy my receive address. Then I'm going to go back to the wallet that has the NFTs, click on NFTs, click on the one you want to send. So in this case, we'll send this one, and then click on this symbol right here, this up arrow that says send. Paste the recipient address wallet in there. You can add that wallet as a contact if you're gonna go back and forth between that wallet often. It's gonna cost about 2 cents, which is one of the great things about Sei. Transactions are very cheap. Go ahead and review transfer. So we're sending this NFT to this receive wallet. You can even add a note here if you want to. Total fee is gonna be about 2 cents. Click send. Here's the transaction ID if you want to view that. It says NFT sent. Click done. All right, so let's go to the wallet that we sent it to, and let's go to NFTs, and we'll probably have to add that collection. So go to collections, click manage collections. Okay, it was in there, so just go ahead and toggle it on. If you bought an NFT on Pallet and it doesn't show up in your Compass wallet, I have a video that shows you how to add that collection to get them to show in your wallet, so check that out. Anyway, that's how you send NFTs from one wallet to another. We'll do another quick example. Let's go back to the wallet we want to receive. So we want to send it to this wallet, so we're gonna click receive. Copy the receive address, go to the wallet we want to send from, which is this one, and let's go ahead and send this one. Click the send symbol, paste the recipient address. Again, you can add it as a contact if you want. It's going to be 2 cents, review transfer. Add a note if you want to, click send. Transaction success, NFT sent. Here's the ID if you want to check that out. Click done. Let's go back to the wallet that we just sent it to and check that out. Go to NFTs, and you might have to click out and click in a couple times, but it will show up. There it is. That's how you send Sei NFTs from one Compass wallet to another. Thank you for watching this video. If it was helpful, please leave a like and consider subscribing. See you in the next one.